bus driver Luke did a fantastic job driving around the skinny roads of the Cotswolds. James, our tour guide, was excellent. His sense of humor really enhanced his knowledge of the area's history. The tour took us to Burford, Bourton-On-The-Water and Oxford. Such a beautiful area. I cannot be happier that we decided on this full-day tour. Delightful bus tour. The bus ride offers a wonderful opportunity to see the English countryside. The bus was clean and the driver, Luke, did a great job navigating the traffic. Although you only stop in the Cotswolds for a short visit, it's just enough time to get the Cotswolds experience and visit a few shops. James, the tour guide, was an absolute delight and shared many little-known facts about the Cotswolds and Oxford. He gave clear instructions about what the tour offered and when everyone was expected to be back to meet the bus. For the price, the tour is a great option. Cheaper than buying a train ticket to Oxford, plus the fact that the Cotswolds can't be reached by train. I highly recommend this tour. A relaxing ride through the Cotswolds to 3 locations of great interest. A great introduction to a new area of travel. It starts early but ends around 5:30 p.m. A comfortable bus with a knowledgeable guide, Aisha, and competent driver, Tom. This team made for a memorable day in the Cotswolds and Oxford. Freya was a wonderful guide. She was informative, helpful and upbeat all day. Phil was a skilled driver and navigator. I highly recommend this trip. A nice escape from the hustle and bustle of London. Tour guide Freya was friendly and managed a tough crowd. Bus driver Michelle did a great job getting us there and back in one piece. Would highly recommend. The guide James is super knowledgeable and Elle had a great time listening to all the stories about Oxford University and info about Cotswolds. The driver Tom is excellent and punctual. Excellent service from our guide and excellent driver, Michelle. The activity ran smoothly. The day's program was clearly explained. Although we are French-speaking Quebecers, we were able to understand our guide perfectly. Our guide James was extremely knowledgeable of the area and included great historical stories. Tom, our driver, was very skilled on the narrow back roads. We very much enjoyed our day. Highly recommend. It was a beautiful tour with a comfortable bus, and our guide Flossie was exceptional. She did a fantastic job. We had ample time to explore each stop along the way.